strange expression. Right side out. Why not left side out, inside out, right side out? Strange expressions here. This is a collared shirt. It is my husband's collared shirt. And because those get hung up on hangers, I just lay them here and I take them to the bedroom later to hang up. This shirt is also inside out, so I put my hand inside it, pull it right side out, shake it out of it, and fold it up. It's nothing magical, but it works. This is my daughter's dress. Isn't it so tiny and cute? And because these also get hung up, I just kind of gently fold them and lay them here. These are my son's shorts. These are kind of like sweat shorts. They're really comfy, and I just fold those once, lay them down. Some more shorts for my daughter, another dress for her. We have some PJs. So these are pajamas, but for me and my family, we call them PJs. You can say pajamas, no problem. Sometimes for children, we say jammies. For some reason, my family doesn't say that. These are also PJs for my daughter. Yeah, I don't know why don't we call them jammies? It's kind of cute. This is a very specific item. I don't know if you would know what this is if you didn't have a baby. This is called a sleep sack. It is like a wearable blanket because babies can't have a blanket when they sleep. They can suffocate. They can wear a sleep sack, and you zip them up, and it's like a little blanket. All right, I have another dress. These adorable corduroy pants that my lovely neighbor Michelle gave to my daughter. If you have not yet met Michelle, she is on my YouTube channel here. We talk about gardening together, and sometimes she likes to buy clothes for my kids. These are sweatpants. These are really comfortable pants, and my oldest son refuses to wear anything else except for sweatpants. Whatever, I don't really care. It's comfy. We got t-shirts. Oh, another cute. This is a long sleeve shirt. Michelle got this for my daughter. So it is new. It has not been worn yet. Some more sweat shorts. Now this is a new item. This is a tea towel. This tea towel goes in the kitchen, and usually you use it to dry your hands. I use it sometimes to dry dishes or clean up messes. I have a lot of messes around my house. Someone is always spilling something. I remember one morning I counted 5 things that I needed to clean up off the floor that had been spilled before 8 a.m. That's a crazy morning. There was always something that needed to be cleaned up. Oh, you have to see this shirt. This is one of Dan's t-shirts that I got him. It says, "It's not a dad bod, it's a father figure." So this phrase, dad bod, is often used to describe when men who are 30s and 40s have a little belly. So they're not really super fit anymore. They call it a dad bod. But instead of being a dad body, father figure, his figure. But this phrase, father figure, also means someone who is the man in your life who you look up to, who is like a father. Maybe he is a father. He might not be your actual father, but we could say he's like a father figure. It's very important, someone impressionable in your life. So I'm not sure if you can get the joke of that t-shirt. It's not a dad bod, it's a father figure. It's very silly. Usually on Father's Day, I like to get Dan silly father-related t-shirts. He has several of them at this point. This is a cloth napkin. I don't know why I fold these because they just get messed up very quickly, but there you have it. Sometimes I do. We have some more PJs for my daughter. Shorts. These are shorts, regular shorts for my son. This is kind of a weird time of year when we have both shorts and long pants. So it kind of means more organization for me because I have to put different piles of clothes out for each kid. There's short sleeve stuff and shorts, long pants, long sleeve stuff. So it's all, it's a little bit more to manage, but when you have 5 people in your house, 3 children, 2 adults, there is always something to manage, right? Always have to fold some kind of laundry, do some kind of dishes. Now, Dan